Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can add the modifier in Bambu Studio Slicer. Now I've already imported my 3D model right here. To add your own modifier, you can simply highlight your model, right click on it, and then we have the add modifier option. So in my case, I'm going to be adding a cube onto my design. Now it will say that switch to per object setting mode to edit modifier settings. Basically what this means is that we are able to edit each objects individually. So if you navigate through the global options and then navigate through objects, we then have the modifier for our cute dragon STL. So in this way, we'll be able to edit them individually. So for example, if I want to place my model onto my design right here, I could just simply do so. And then of course you can edit out the scale, the rotation, and more. So I'll make this bigger, and then I'm going to move it upwards. So from there, if you click on the slice plate, it will then apply the modifier the way you want to. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.